One of the most interesting new features of the Sony Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact resides in the camera department. It turns out, Sony's new top phones are the first ever to capture 4K HDR, high dynamic range, video, which is great, because you will be able to enjoy them on the HDR screen of the phone, or on any other compatible HDR screen you may have around you. HDR video has a more dramatic look to it, preserving more details in both very dark and very bright areas of the picture. Sony is also upgrading the slow motion video mode in the camera. It'll still allow for 960 FPS, frames per second, footage, but this time at 1080p resolution, so the quality trade-off won't be very big. Finally, 3D Creator, which is an app in the XZ1 that allowed users to scan objects or people's faces to create 3D objects out of, will not support the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact's front-facing cameras, allowing customers to easily create 3D scans of their own faces.